Nice sky, nice weather.
We're on the way for Tri5.
Tri5 plus.
Tri5 plus.
Can you hear our voices so sickly? We both sound so sick.
Yeah, a bit down on the weather today, but yeah. It's definitely a Miata morning, guys. We are here at Garden Inn Hotel Puchong for the flag off of what we call Tri5. So Tri5 is basically when all the cars get together, all the Miata cars get together and go for a drive. Yeah, basically it's like a holiday. And this year, organizing committee is Malaysia. Oh, check out all the cars. I have honestly never seen so many Miatas ever in my life. This is amazing because we always see these in UK, in Australia, wherever in the United States, but never ever in Malaysia. And here, everywhere I walk to, it's just Miata, 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 and from all different areas. Thailand, Singapore. Woo! It's a drop the top heaven, man.
Frequency. Yeah, it's already, I think it's already shared.
Drop the top heaven, that's what I'm talking about. Yes, yes, yes. Why? Mana Punde, group 2, group 2. Woohoo! The windshield. Woo! And we're all if you drink this, then you have like
extra
this.
more. No, I'm fit. I'm fit.
We are now heading for lunch. It is 12:15. So hungry, so tired, so sleepy. Good drive?
Good. I didn't crash in Norway.
Huh? Now guys, I am here in the red NA, which is this NA, because after this we're going for Enduro, which we're going to be bringing my NC. Just to tell you guys a little bit of what co-drivers are supposed to do. I feel co-drivers are very important because you have to be ready with the smart tag, you have to communicate with the walkie, and you have to make sure you have your directions on your phone, and you have to be a good cameraman to capture all these good nice photos, group photos, photos of your drivers driving, and you know, these kind of ad hoc things sometimes, you just gotta do it. So if your co-driver doesn't do it, screw your co-driver, get a new co-driver, man. I feel this kind of things really women are the best. You tell guys multitask, confirm cannot. We are currently stopping at Petronas. It is 4 o'clock. And yeah, I'm the shittiest co-driver. I've been sleeping the entire time. But it's so nice. Can you ask my driver? Am I the best co-driver?
Hi co-driver. What did this co-driver do after she said about all the things she's supposed to do to be a good co-driver? And she said, screw you guys who are lousy co-drivers, find a better co-driver. What do?
I'm the best co-driver, aren't I?
The best! Number
I
1!
slept the entire way after lunch. How long did I sleep?
Long. I don't know. Long.
Are you looking for a new co-driver?
No.
No. I'm the shittiest co-driver ever. But yeah, where are we now?
Somewhere in Johor. We passed. It's an hour. Can't remember.
How many more hours?
I'm guessing less than 1.
Okay, I can stay awake for at least 1 hour.
Oh,
I
you
want
bring many?
this NC shirt.
The
Ah, my
bag
NC one, yeah.
Okay.
I need this.
After Tri5, I give it to you.
Oh, I have it on camera.
Keeping it.
See, Miata
Yeah,
guys
okay.
are nice people.
free or not.
Miata guys are the funniest, I tell you, nicest, funniest, and these are the moments here where we go pump petrol, where we just do things in between, and this is how we bond. So stops are required for bonding. I'm finally awake! I think. Somewhere in Johor lah. So we just left the gambut and we're on the way to Kluang Merdeka Hotel.
Segamat.
This is really a small town, eh? We are lost. Finally dropped the top, ah. Finally dropped the top, ah. Drop the top.
Oh, hot.
And we're on the move. We're heading out now. Guys, it's amazing lah. Really, road trips really take you to places where you have no idea and you don't know anything about. You just look at this place. Hi! So happy! Go, 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 go! Oh, I tell you, this is why you should keep stock hike, guys. Don't know where we are, but man, the road that we are taking. Check. And we have come to the end of our off-roading. Now it's tarmac. It was a fun drive. Nice to see all the behinds of all the cars now, all super, the color is super different already. How was the experience off-roading? Good?
I didn't know that MX-5 can do a thing like this.
Let's go guys. Ini nak masuk kamera punya. Huh? You'll never love tarmac until you've been through whatever road that we've been through. Oh no, we love tarmac. Hi Mark!
It's just very uncomfortable. I think that's what it is. Yeah, I found that sweet spot about.
It's amazing guys, we have 4 groups currently in convoy and every group has about 10 cars approximately, and it's so nice to see from start to finish how intact everyone is. I mean, I expected, you know, like if I were a participant in any group, I'd be like, I just join anyone lah, confirm the group will just split, but no, we're all like group 1, group 2, group 3, and we're still all intact. Giving group 1 to go first, letting breather room for group 2 and then group 3, so it's nice. It's a nice combination of all groups. Best part about going topless, jump top, is you can just wave to people. Hi! And everyone's just so friendly, so happy to see this type of car, because I'm pretty sure this doesn't come by often, and it's just very nice feeling. You know, this is how Malaysia is. Guys who have a situation. Only one is popping up. Only one is popping up. How do you feel about that?